Hello friends, are you planning to start a new business in India and you're confused about the business structure, whether to opt for a sole proprietorship, LLP or a partnership firm? Don't worry, you're not alone. Today we will break down these three business structure in India in a very simple way. So by the end of the video, you will get to know which one fits your dream venture. So without any further delay, let's get started. Let's start our discussion with the simplest form of business structure in India, that is sole proprietorship. It is owned and managed by a single person, generally require registration like GST registration, shop and establishment registration or Udyam registration. It has no separate legal entity. That means business and owner are the same. Now let's talk about the pros and cons of the sole proprietorship business. Starting with the pros, it is the simplest form of business structure in India which require minimal setup cost. It requires the mandatory registrations only. The person has the full control over the business and the profit solely goes to the owner. With regard to the cons of the business, it has unlimited liability and at times it is very difficult to find investor or to raise a fund for the business. But sole proprietorship is generally very useful for startups, small businesses and medium scale businesses in India. Now let's discuss about LLP. LLP means Limited Liability Partnership. It is a hybrid structure that is between a partnership firm and a corporate. It has limited liability of partners, means personal assets of partners are protected. With regard to the registration, it requires registration from MCA, that is Ministry of Corporate Affairs in India. With regard to the pros and cons of the business, the pros are it has separate legal entity, means partners are separate from the business. Number 2, it has flexible management. That means partners can decide their profit sharing ratios. And number 3, it has less compliance as compared to a private limited company. And with regard to the cons, it has more compliance as compared to a sole proprietorship firm in India. And it is very difficult to find big investors for an LLP. But instead of these pros and cons, LLP is very popular in India. It is best for CA firms, law firms and small businesses with multiple partners. A private limited company is most structured and recognized form of business structure in India. It has separate legal entity. Shareholder owns and directors manages the company. With regard to the registration, it requires registration under Ministry of Corporate Affairs in India. Also, it requires Memorandum of Association and Article of Association as the incorporating documents. With regard to the pros of the private limited company, number 1, it has limited liability, means shareholder has the limited liability, that is owners are separate from the business. Number 2, it has a high credibility and scalability. And number 3, it is easier to raise fund when you are a private limited company. With respect to the cons, it has a higher maintenance cost because you have to mandatory comply annual meetings, audits and board meetings. And it is very expensive to manage a private limited company. But still, it is best for startups and for businesses who are planning to scale at a bigger operation and for those who are seeking external funding. Now, let's get a quick comparison table for sole proprietorship, LLP and a private limited company. Number 1, legal identity. Sole proprietorship has no separate legal identity, whereas LLP has a separate legal identity as well as private limited company has a separate legal identity. Number 2, liability. In sole proprietorship form of business, the liability of owners are unlimited, whereas in LLP and private limited company, the liability of owners are limited. With respect to the compliance, sole proprietorship has a very low compliance, LLP has moderate level of compliance and private limited company has a high level of compliance. With regard to the fundraising, in sole proprietorship, it is very difficult to raise fund, whereas in LLP, it is moderately difficult to raise funds and in private limited company, it is comparatively easy to raise funds. Best for sole proprietorship is best for small traders, whereas LLP is best for professionals and private limited company is best for startups and growth businesses. So that was the quick comparison between sole proprietorship, LLP and a private limited company. No matter which business structure you use, sole proprietorship, LLP or a private limited company, managing business efficiently really matters. That's where automation software plays a crucial role. The software which I use provides a complete range of automation solutions for a business, whether it is preparation of quotation, invoices, data management, or inventory management. It provides a tailor-made solution for each and every type of business so that you can manage your business efficiently, save your time as well as your cost. It is an AI accounting and ERP platform trusted by more than 1 lakh plus businesses from across 170 plus countries. It provides facilities like accounting, invoicing, compliances, payment, inventory management, expenses, sales, and vendors. So, if you're also trying to make your business process simpler and want to explore more, you can try this software. The link is given in the description. So, this was our discussion between sole proprietorship, LLP, and a private limited company. Bottom line is that if you're planning to start a new business, sole proprietorship business structure is best for you. If you're planning to manage with partners, LLP is best for you. But if you're planning to scale your business, private limited company structure is best for you. But the main point is the right structure depends upon your business goal, risk appetite, and your future endeavors. Thank you.